There's a lot of lightning up on that side, but it's not showing up now. That on the bottom of the screen is US 27, Florida, passing through Avon. Just before I turned the phone on, there was a lot of lightning. What's happening? Come on. Come on, man, hurry up. Give me a good one. Nice. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Come on, come on. You can do it. That's it? That's all you're gonna give me? Almost. Nice. Another one. Beep. That light on the bottom right hand corner is the back of Pizza Hut. I'm wishing on a star. It looks like a star. I'm wishing on a dream. Come on, before this you gave me a nice light show. And now that I'm recording, you're not giving me a light show. Come on, man. Give me one. Give me a good one, man. Beautiful. One more. They're taking pictures in the sky. Say cheese. That's it for now.